To add a Presto card to Apple Pay, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and scrolling down to the Wallet and Apple Pay option. From there, you will see a list of all the cards currently added to your Apple Pay. To add a new card, tap on the Add Card option, followed by the Transit Card option. This will bring up a list of available transit cards from various countries, including China, France, Hong Kong, Japan, and the United States. However, as of 2024, the Presto card is not available to add to Apple Pay, as it has not been introduced by Apple. If Apple decides to add the Presto card in the future, you will be able to add it by searching for Presto or scrolling down to find the Canada or Presto card option, at which point you can follow the prompts to add the card to your Apple Pay.